Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hi everyone, I am Mima and this is Zyaba. Hello! Zyaba, happy St. Patrick's Day! Do you know what I'd like to make today? Check this out! A fun leprechaun card! And inside the card I wrote a message for you. It says, "It's your lucky day!" There is a tradition of wearing green on St. Patty's Day that's supposed to make you invisible to leprechauns. Fortunately, our leprechaun is not a sneaky trickster, it's a friendly guy. Let me show you how to make this card. Come on! You'll need the following supplies for this project: construction paper, scissors, pencil, a couple googly eyes, optional pom-pom for the nose, markers for writing a message on the card, and I have a couple glues right now. You can use a glue stick, you can use a glue gun, whatever is more comfortable for you. And in addition, I have a ball to make a perfect circle for the card. Let's make the face. I folded paper in half and I just circled it. And when I cut the paper, I'll have two identical circles. And then I'll work on the beard. I'll use the same ball. Okay, we got the beard, we have the face. Now let's work on the hat. Let's make sure that hat fits our face. And you can use a ruler or just sketch it freehand. So just in case, I'll use a ruler to make a hat. Maybe I'll use 1 inch increment right here for the length of the hat. Right here, over here, and then it goes to the top. So let's just make sure it's equally long. Let's cut our hat. Let's assemble our leprechaun. We have 2 faces. The first one goes down. I'll use a glue stick. And the second face, I just need to glue the top. This will be our card. And next, I need to glue the hat. The next 2 steps are optional. I'll make a beautiful hat for leprechaun, but you don't have to do it. You can just color it with a marker or make it more fancy with construction paper. It will go on top of the hat. And another one. To cut the inside of the yellow part, let's fold it. Let's work on our googly eyes. And this time I'll use more substantial glue. Nose. And let's add features to his face. Let's add freckles. And our leprechaun is ready. And now you can write your message here. It's your lucky day! Thank you guys for watching! See you next time! Bye-bye!